Welcome everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today we're coming back with a brand new unboxing and first look at a new monitor from AOC. So this is AOC's 27-inch LCD monitor that offers 4K resolution. As you can see on the left hand side, it's from their 90 series, which is a new range of monitors from AOC. Underneath that you also have a model number. The model number for this monitor is U2790PQU. The link will be in the description to AOC's website, which you can see down there at the right hand corner. So underneath the model number you also have then the actual sort of tagline, which I explained, and then the size of the display, which is either 27 inches or 68.47 centimeters. Remember, that's always measured corner to corner. If we take a look at the bottom right hand corner there, you've got 4K UHD resolution. That's 3840 by 2160, so that's ultra high definition, so everything is going to look crisp and clean on this display. Has an IPS panel that offers a wide viewing angle. That means it can be viewed from multiple different angles by multiple different users, which is really interesting. Also, that's not on the box that I want to talk about is the three-sided frameless design as well. That's going to just make this monitor pop out at you, which is awesome. And also it offers a USB hub, HDMI port, display port, and then easy assemble. So it connects very easily, and we're going to take a look at that now. So let's get it unboxed, see what's inside, and then also let's set it up and see our first impressions. One thing I always like with AOC monitors, on the top here it shows you how to remove the actual monitor and its contents safely so you don't damage the monitor or yourself. Then on this side it actually shows you how to connect the stand and then the adjustment of the stand if it is offered, then how to connect to your device. Very interesting, and make sure you do take a quick look at these just to see if they are helpful to you. Unpacking our accessories and our stand out of the box before we get the display out, this is everything you're going to receive. Let's go through them individually. So first of all, you've got a CD here with manuals and drivers on it, and then you can download them as well also from the website. Underneath that is a little sheet of information from AOC. And then the big sheet is about calibration and then illumination of your display, and you can go through that and set that the way you want to set it after you've finished. Also, you've got a UK 3-pin plug here, so that's going to be the one we're going to use all the time. You then have a DisplayPort to DisplayPort connection cable. You have a HDMI to HDMI cable. You then have an audio cable, so 3.5 to 3.5 jack here that you can plug in an audio option if you so want to, but it does have integrated speakers. Then you have your USB 3 hub connection cable here, and that will go into your device. And then at the top there you've got a European 2-pin plug. If you are in Europe as well, that will come with a European 2-pin plug. We then have our base stand over here, and then also you have your column here, which you're going to connect together now. And it does look nice, a real nice brushed finish on the top here. This is plastic, underneath it's metal. Again, with this, you're going to find a plastic outlay, but metal on the inside. So to put these two together, relatively easy, as it said on the box, very easy assembly. And it always is with AOC products. First of all, taking a look at the base plates, as you can see here, it's got a nice glossy, shiny finish to it. You've got your locking nuts there in the middle. If I turn this around here, you do have rubberized feet there that are nicely big actually as well, which is quite handy. That will protect your desk from scratches. So as you can see here at the bottom of the column, there's two little hooks. And what that will do is so what I want you to do is place your two hooks in, bring down, and then obviously you're going to use that locking nut here at the bottom. So you've got to try and hold it stiff as well. You can either use a flathead screwdriver here, or you can actually use the little tool that's provided and twist this in. You should feel that tight in there. Make sure you screw that until it's really tight and really secure. Obviously, because this has a rotating base as well at the bottom here, just make sure it's lined up for you to start off with in the correct area, just over the screw. And then what we're going to do here is take out the panel and connect the panel up. Here is our back of our monitor, nice layout. So what you've got on the left hand side currently, but will be on the right hand side when set up, is your joystick control stick option there for going through your menus and selecting different things. Then moving into your connection options, you have your power, and then you have a dedicated on and off switch here, which I think is really nice to have to save energy and save electricity. You have HDMI 1, HDMI 2, a display port, then also you have a headphone jack, and then you get to see your USB hub here. So obviously this is your connection port, then you've got a fast charge charging port, and then you've got a standard port. And also you do have a Kensington lock on the right hand side here, but will be on the left hand side when stood up. So then in the middle here, this is where you're going to connect your column and stand. This monitor also offers a Vesa Mount connection, so if you want to remove the column and stand and have the Vesa Mount, you can do. So to take your column and stand, you're going to notice these two teeth here at the top. So these go in first, and also you're going to notice a release switch here. This will release when locked in. So if I put these two in first, then snap down, give it a good push, don't push too hard. I've actually laid something down on the desk as well, make sure you do that if you don't want to damage your monitor. So that is nice and secure in there now, and we can pull that up and then stand it up. But I just want to show you, if you press that release button, it comes out. And then again, you're free to do whatever you want to do, or say you're packing it for moving. But in, clip. Just make sure it's nice and secure. So now it's actually all locked into place. What we're going to do is stand the monitor up, flip it around, and actually connect it up to my devices. And then we can go through some other key highlighting features. And the one thing I do want to show you is the three-sided frameless design. As you can see, my AOC monitor is all set up and ready to go. So first of all, I've used a DisplayPort to Thunderbolt connection to connect my MacBook Pro, which is sitting to the right-hand side. And then to the left-hand side, I've got an Xbox One X that I use for casual gaming, and that is connected up via HDMI, but that still leaves me another HDMI connection. Also, I will add in the USB-C hub cable as well into my MacBook Pro, and that'll give me 2 extra ports for using one of my ports, which is really handy. So with this monitor all set up and ready to go, you want to know a bit more information. This monitor offers great color accuracy and a wide color gamut, so your colors will look true and representative of what you're actually looking at. I'm looking forward to testing it out and seeing how well that works. Also, now it's all set up, you can really see the three-sided frameless design here. You've just got the one frame along the bottom, which is housing an LED light on the bottom right hand corner that lets you know your monitor is on. You've got AOC branding and then your Energy Star as well. If you look around the left, the right and the top, you'll notice that we don't have a frame there at all. It looks really nice. You've just got this very thin black line. And obviously I can tweak that on my MacBook Pro as well, making sure it's properly stretched out to every corner. But I like that because that makes me, the user, really engulfed into what I'm actually watching. It's drawing me in, it's making me focus on my content or whatever I'm doing more than what it is actually at the frames and getting distracted. As I said, it has an IPS panel. I'm looking forward to using that and seeing how well that works with everything I do through content creation, through social media work, through general emails, writing documents, and then also casual gaming on a console level. This monitor offers integrated speakers, and that's nice to have, and I'm looking forward to seeing what they offer. Obviously, we'll put them through its paces during the review. So the 27-inch professional 4K monitor with ergonomic stand and USB hub. And talking about the ergonomic stand, it does move in all different directions. And I'm going to delve into that a lot more during the review. So now our 27-inch 4K professional monitor is all set up and ready to go. It has a great ergonomic stand, and I'm going to put a wireless charger right on the bottom there, and I can use the cable management option to feed my cable, but my wireless charger is going to sit on there perfectly to charge all of my devices. I'm looking forward to seeing how well this monitor works with every aspect of what I've just said, what I do in my daily life, to see how well it copes and how well it works compared to other monitors I've had a look at. So if you have any questions or any queries regarding this AOC monitor, or potentially another monitor you've seen on my channel, please leave a comment below. Also, while you're there, please give a like on the video, and if you haven't yet, become a subscriber and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all of my latest videos. From me, Ricky, and the brand new AOC 27-inch LCD 4K monitor, thanks always for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.